Welcome to the OTC Genisys Tool Update video. In this video, we'll show you how to install NGIS software for System 3.0 or do future updates for the Genisys. Detailed instructions for all the procedures can be found in your user's manual. First, we'll look at how to install the Next Generation Information System software, or NGIS, on your PC. NGIS is a software application used to download new software from the Internet to a memory card, which you then install on your scan tool. It also contains user and vehicle application guides, ConnectTech software, and remote display software. Begin by making sure you've met the following requirements for your PC. Here is a list of requirements. Finally, a high-speed internet connection is strongly recommended when prepping your computer prior to making updates. To install NGIS software, you should first disable any antivirus software and all firewalls that may be currently running. Also, close any other open programs that may be running. Next, insert the NGIS CD into the PC's CD drive and wait for the Welcome to the Install Shield window to appear. Follow the instructions on each window and click the appropriate buttons to accept the license agreement and start the installation. Now, wait for the Installing NGIS, Installing ConnectTech, and Installing Remote Display windows to automatically process. Then, wait for the Setup of NGIS's Complete window to appear. On this window, select Yes, I want to restart my computer now. Remove the CD from the CD drive. Click the Finish button and wait for the computer to restart. After the computer has restarted, you'll notice several new icons on the desktop. The NGIS Tool Update is the icon we use to update your Genisys. The other icons are explained in the user manual. Your next step is to check the Internet for updates and download the updated files to the PC. Once again, close all open programs and disable any antivirus software and firewalls. Double-click the NGIS Tool Update icon. The Update Tool window appears. Click the large Scan Tool button. The Check Internet for Updates message appears. Click the Yes button to check the Internet site for NGIS updates. Wait for the Internet check to complete. If there is an update available, a Downloading New Software window appears. Wait for the files to completely download and the dialog window asking you to update memory card appears. If you're going to update a memory card, you could do it here. Otherwise, click Exit as you are finished with the NGIS install and update. It's on your PC. We will go through the Genisys memory card update procedure in just a minute. You now have all the latest capabilities for updating your Genisys available at your fingertips. Let's turn our attention to updating the Genisys Scan Tool with memory card and unlocking the smart card software. To do this, you'll be using the following equipment: the Genisys Scan Tool with an external memory card and its power supply, a PC with the NGIS software suite installed, and an available USB port. The smart cards for new applications only. The compact flash card reader that was included in the System 3.0 starter kit. Connect the OTC Genisys to the power supply and turn it on. Select System Setup. Select Revision Levels. On the PC, double-click the NGIS Tool Update icon. On the NGIS PC software, press the Software Revisions button. A pop-up window will open listing the latest software versions for every program available for the OTC Genisys installed on the PC. Compare the NGIS software revisions with the OTC Genisys. If the NGIS software has later or newer revisions than installed on the OTC Genisys, an update is recommended. This is also the opportunity to check for new application programs you may want to purchase, as well as any free updates available. Make sure the scan tool is off and locate the memory card slot on the left side of the scan tool and remove the cover. Grasp the memory card and pull it out of the slot. Insert the memory card into the card reader and push it firmly into place. Plug the card reader into an unused USB port on the PC. Close any windows or messages that may appear automatically by clicking the X in the upper right corner of the window. If you closed the NGIS software, reopen it by double-clicking the NGIS Tool Update icon. The Update Tool window appears. Click the Scan Tool button. The Check Internet for Updates message appears. Click the No button to bypass the NGIS remote internet site for updates. You've already done this when you previously installed the NGIS software. Follow the instructions in the dialog box. Click Continue to begin copying the files onto the Scan Tool's memory card. A Transferring Files bar message will appear. Wait for the file copy to complete and the File Copy Complete message to appear. Follow the instructions on the File Copy Complete dialog box. Click the Exit button and complete the PC memory card update procedure. To correctly remove the card reader and memory card from the PC, locate the Safely Remove Hardware icon in the system tray on the right side of the Windows taskbar. The icon has a green arrow or check mark on it. If necessary, click the double arrows on the left side of the tray to display all of the icons. Click the Safely Remove Hardware icon to display a pop-up list of removable drives. Click the name of the drive to remove it from the list. Remove the card reader from the USB port and pull the memory card from the reader. With the Scan Tool turned off, insert the updated memory card into the Scan Tool memory card slot as follows. Position the card so the System 3.0 label is facing up and the pin connections are facing the Scan Tool. Insert the card into the slot and firmly push it into place. You may feel some resistance as the pin connections slide into the card slot connections, but don't force the card as you might bend the pins. Connect the power supply to the Scan Tool, turn the Scan Tool on, and wait for the updates to install into the Scan Tool. For each new application, the screen instructs you to insert a smart card to unlock the application. The smart card must be inserted for the new application at this time. Or you could press the Enter key to continue without unlocking the application. In our example, the technician has purchased 2007 domestic and Asian software. Here is how to unlock these applications. Insert the smart card into the slot by positioning the card with the gold computer chip facing up and the arrow pointing at the Scan Tool. Then insert the smart card entirely into the slot. Press Enter to continue. Unlocking and installing any other applications is done by repeating the same process we did for 2007 domestic. When the installation update is complete, an Installation Complete message appears, and the screen automatically returns to the Application Manager. Remove any smart cards from the Scan Tool. Remember to store all smart cards in a safe location for future use. Replace the protective cover on the smart card slot, and then install the protective cover in the memory card slot. To avoid damaging the memory card, make sure the arrow on the top of the cover points toward the top of the Scan Tool. Your OTC Genisys Scan Tool now has the latest operating software and is ready for action. If you have any additional questions, please use this contact information. Our trained, knowledgeable tech support organization stands ready to help you with any challenges you may have.